this is such a relaxing day. Yes, it is a relaxing day. This is so much fun. I want to splash you somewhere. Ha! Yeah, how dare you? Kids, I brought you some candies and some juicy boxes. Yay, Mommy, that is my favorite. Yeah, me too. I am hungry. Yep, that's why I brought you some. Okay, take one. Here, one for you, one for you. Okay, I'm gonna be making dinner. I'm gonna call you guys later. Okay? Enjoy those. Let's go. Over there. Okay, just stay here. I'm just gonna make dinner. Oh, by the way, you have to finish your snacks first. Can I help you open this and drink the juice boxes? Okay, drink it. Drink it, drink it. You guys, why don't you guys just relax here? Okay, right over there. Just relax there. I'm gonna get this. Yes, I got it. Now let's go. Why don't we go watch the news? Yeah, let's go. I'm really bored. Where's you? Hey, wait for me. Oh, there's a huge storm? No, I am so scared. Oh, kids, I was just about to make some dinner. Oh, Mommy, there is a huge storm coming. Yes, and I am scared, Mommy. Don't worry, kids, I am here. Okay, I'm gonna be making dinner. Go change in your pajamas. Okay, Mommy. Okay. Okay, don't worry. What am I gonna cook today? I was thinking about cake, some this. I don't think so. Let's go. What to think about? I'm gonna make the one that the kids love. I'm gonna make some eggs. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, there. Let's go change in our pajamas now. Okay. This is Mommy's room. And this is our bathroom. Okay, let's go shower now. Okay, now we're done. Let's go get our towels and wipe us. There, I'm done. Done. Let's put the towels back. Okay, let's go to our room now. I'm not gonna change. Oh, okay. I'm gonna get that green one. Just gonna get it. It's so hard getting it because I'm so small. I'm gonna try to get it. Okay, we're gonna get it first. Hold on. Just wait for us, guys. This is such a hard time because I'm so small. Okay, there. I finally got it. Let's go change it. Let's put my open pajamas there. Oh, how about we color? Sure, I want to color. Okay, let's go now. I'm gonna call the kids for dinner. Kids, where are you? Oh, there you are. Okay, the dinner's ready. I made your favorite eggs. Okay, let's go now. Let's go drawing later. Okay. Okay, so go on, eat. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. Oh, that was yummy. What's happening to our light? storm, Mommy? Okay, I'm gonna find some lights. You guys stay there, okay? Hand this candle. You guys get that candle. You take care of your sister, okay? Okay, Mommy. Mom, okay, I'm gonna put the dishes now. I'm gonna get your dishes. You get that candle, okay? Okay. Oh, you need to be careful. There might be a storm again. Let's go. Okay, let's put the dishes right over there. There. Okay, let's go now and draw. Okay, let's go now. Let's go. Put that candle right over there. Oh, right over here because we're gonna draw, okay? Okay. I'm gonna get my notebook. Let's go get a crayon. Okay. Look what I'm drawing. It's a unicorn. Look what I'm drawing. It's a dinosaur. It's a big one. Kids, look what I found while I was looking for candles. Mommy, is that a rolling bed? Oh, yes. No, it's not called a rolling bed. It's called a sleeping bag. Oh, Mommy, I thought it was a rolling bed. Okay, I'm going to design these, okay? You guys go finish your drawings. Look, Mommy, I drew a unicorn. Look, Mommy, I drew a dinosaur. And I like it. Kiddos, you go finish that. I'm going to get your things and I'm going to design, okay? Okay, Mommy. Okay. I'm going to wait for you guys. Okay? Okay. You guys go finish your works. Okay. And I'm going to be viewing. I'm nearly done, so let's put our notebooks back. Okay, put our Crayolas. I'm gonna bring my plushie. Oh, me too. I'm gonna bring bark. I'm gonna bring Oreo. I'm gonna Oreo, where were you? I'm gonna bring my iPad. Are you gonna bring your iPad? Sure, you're gonna bring your iPad. Okay, let's go. But there is no signal because there's no light. Oh yeah, but you have downloads and you have offline apps. No, you can play Tocaboca. Okay, let's go now. Wait, hold on. Let's go now. Wow, Mom, this is such a good. I bought some snacks, a candy, and some juice boxes, and I brought something you can play. And I bought Oreo a bed so he can sleep on it. Oh yeah, Oreo, you can sleep there while we're sleeping. This is so fun. I'm gonna put my tablet there. I'm gonna put my plushie there. Me too. I'm gonna put my plushie there. Okay, can we play? Okay, fine. There's a game, Snicker Rules. Do you guys know this? Yes, Mommy, we played that, right? Yes, we already played this, but we haven't played it a long time. Okay, who's gonna be yellow? Me! Who's gonna be blue? Me! Okay, I'm gonna be red. Okay, let's just put it right over. Let's just put it right up there. Okay, me first. Hold on, let's put it right over there. Okay, me first. I'm got 1. Okay, go get your snakes first. Here you go, Sissy. Okay, thank you. 1. Okay, so your turn. I got 3. 1, 2, 3. I got 2. 1. Oh, I got 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm having a hard time to put it. Anyways. Okay, my turn. I got 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. I got 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. My turn. I got 2. 1, 2. I met you, Mom. I got 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I won. Oh, I wanted to win. Me too. Okay, guys, let's just go play a next round tomorrow, okay? Let's go sleep now. Yes, I'm really tired. Okay, next time you guys will win. Don't worry, let's put it back now. Okay, right over there. Okay, I'm gonna get my plushie. I'm gonna go get my plushie now. Me too. I'm gonna go sleep. Me too. Okay, good night. Good night, Mommy. Good night, Mommy. Let's put this on the candle. Good night, Oreo. Good night. Bark, bark.